What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode. I'm Cody Snow, and you're watching Snow Vision. And today, we're out doing just a little bit of fishing. We're out here wilding. Stay tuned, everybody. Out here wilding is right. Holy smokes. Alright, we're going to try to do some fishing. I promise. Grass. Oh, I got something. What do we got? What do we got here? Jeez. Look at this. It's a chunky little green sunfish. Look at him. Pretty little guy. Not exactly the target species, but fun to catch nonetheless. See you later, buddy. All right. First fish on the board. That's all we can ask for. I mean, we can ask for more, but... or bigger. I wonder if there's anything sitting up here. Looks like there's a little bit of inflow. Definitely some moss. There, it all came off. That's nice. Oh, there. Hooked up. What do we got? Hooked up with something. Black crappie. Look at this guy. Healthy little sucker. Got him in the eye, but he'll be fine. Oh yeah, there's stuff going on right here. Get him back. See if we can catch some. Right here. Another species on the old ultralight shad. There he goes. Got hit. I bet there's fish sitting up in here. Let's see if we can get somewhere where we can stop. Make a few casts there. There's a little drainage ditch back here. You guys might be able to see it behind me. Oop. Normally, I don't ever see any water flowing out of it when I'm up here, but today there's a little bit of water. So I think maybe there's fish sitting here scooping. Oh yeah, there's definitely fish up in there. Scooping stuff up as it comes out. So let's try to take advantage of it. Oh, that's no fun. What happened? Run through weeds right away? That don't sound like me. A bigger fish just swam out of there. I don't know what it was, but I don't want to get too close. Come on. I got bit a couple times on that cast. You can see stuff over here, so I might have to switch so that trusty triple tail. Try this guy for a couple times and see if we can get hooked up, but it just seems like it's deep, diving just a little bit too deep. I think I might switch. There's still stuff over there, but this thing's just diving too deep. That looks good. I have to catch a fish. Oh, Jesus, what are you doing? Nature. Oh, that was amazing. Had a bite. Got one. A little sunny, or a little green sunfish, holy smokes. Look at him. It's a pretty little guy. I wonder if that's everything that's sitting up there. Oh my goodness. I threw it all the way up in there and I just kind of reeled it over the rocks. Got him. Jeez. A big green sunfish. My buddy Heath Fiala just did the state record green sunfish. I think it was like 11 ounces or 1 pound 11 ounces. I think it was 1 pound 11 ounces, but look at that cute little guy. Wonder if that's all that's up there. Holy smokes. They're pretty. There's gotta be other stuff up there. Oh! Do I have one on? I got something. What do I got? What do I got? Nice crappie? Oh yeah, nice crappie here. I mean, it's not super nice crappie, but there we go. Awesome. I freaking hammered it. The heck are these school of crappie at? And get on these things. I love me some crappie. I was hoping to catch one more fish before I ended the video, but I don't know if that's gonna happen or not. We're gonna buzz across to the other side of this jetty here and see if we can pick up a crappie or two. When I was pulling in this morning, I seen a guy catch a crappie off the rocks over here, so you know, if he can do it, I can do it. Crappie sitting right here in these rocks, trying to get him to eat this. What the heck? There's another crappie. There's 2 black crappies just sitting there suspended inside the rocks as I was floating over them. We're gonna switch to the old crappie slayer and see if we can get one to bite. That was wild. Just sitting up in the rocks, not doing shit. Huh. There they go. At least one. There's crappie sitting in the rocks over here, but I couldn't get them to do anything, and I just kept getting blown off, so I went and got the old road runner. I want to see if we can get any to bite. I don't know if I'll be able to. I caught like a little green sunfish before I turned on the camera. It's so dang windy up here. Got bit by something else. I think it was probably a crappie, but oh, I don't know what that was. Didn't get it though. Got him. What is it? Another one of these little suckers. This lake's full of these guys, and they are hungry. I might have to end the video on this and little bonus coverage because I can't get these. Crappie to bite. Hey, what's up, you guys? I got done, was editing the video, and realized I did not do an outro, but thanks everybody for watching the video. We weren't able to get on the big fish that we wanted, but it's still fun doing a little bit of micro fishing for them green sunfish. I hope everybody has a great day.